Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning. I'm in my Saturday morning grubbies doing a little bit of cleaning, and I haven't posted anything about Norwex for a couple days, so I wanted to share something with you. So my stainless steel fridge here, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at it. You can't see the dirt on it, and you can't see the scuzzy, just like it's leftover tape goo and stuff like that. And there's a lot of scratches and stuff too because it's really old, but I noticed that cleaning with water, again, just to reiterate, the Enviro cloth, the E for everything cloth, has a little bit of a plush texture to it. Then the window cloth or glass cloth, and it is a smooth texture. For shiny surfaces, it took me a while to get the residue from cleaning my stainless steel fridge with the normal cleaners. And then the other day in the sunlight pouring in, which there's a lot right now because of the snow we got last night, so it's really bright in here, but you can't see it. Taking the residue off, actually, there was one point where the sun was shining on it and it still looked weird and dirty. So I was gonna try one or two other things real quick and just report back to see if it's better, because it still looks, it's amazing and it's clean, and I'll try the residue here. We always start as a first line defense with the Enviro cloth and then the window cloth, the glass cloth. And I don't honestly know if that's gonna take off that stuff that's kind of, oh my gosh, it's coming right off. Okay, water, folks, the power of water. So I'm just gonna wipe that with my window cloth, and you can kind of see the residue of the sticky stuff that came off of there. So that was amazing. I was expecting to have to use something else, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an all over wash with a tiny bit of the Ultra Power Plus detergent and then water, diluted a lot, and just kind of have it here. It makes the water kind of a yellow color, which I thought at first was dirt, but it's not. It's just the color of the detergent. The environmentally friendly detergent. So this is my little kitchen cloth. I believe that's what they're called, either that or counter cloth. I'm not sure. They're the size of a ripped up paper towel anyways, and they're great for spills and little jobs and all kinds of stuff. So it's got the Ultra Power Plus detergent in it, and so I'm going to do a wipe of the entire thing today to see if that'll cut back down with anything else that's sort of going on with this stainless steel fridge. Like I said, it's super old, so it's very possible that it's just, that's what the finish looks like. But I will report back. Meanwhile, I'm taking my glass cloth. That takes the wetness off and then just does the shine. And so as you can see, the scratches notwithstanding, it did take off all of that residue from tape and whatnot that was on the door handle. So that's the one side. Oh gosh, yeah, look at that. You can see some of the places where the water's still on there. Let's see. Yeah, so like I said, it just looks nice and shiny, and oh yeah, I missed some of the water. I will check it in that late afternoon sunlight later to see. It's hard to get a picture of it, but I thought I would try that, and that is the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, again, completely biodegradable. So again, cleaning with water, eliminating chemicals, ditch and switch all the chemicals in your house. It's been a boon for me because my skin with all the chemicals, and also it's just easier, cleaner, faster. So love my Norwex. If you have any questions, you can PM me, or I will put the shopping link in the comments in the video. So thanks. Have a great day, guys.